What's up guys, Retro Django here, the best System 11 game. Whirlwind just entered my project room, dash storage room, dash mod room, dash cleanup room. Why? Why did that happen? I mean, this game this is an amazing game. Great code, great layout, amazing shots, amazing audio package. I love this game. Take cover now. I love everything about it. I wouldn't change anything, but it seems like we got a 2.0 code that will give us a new monitor, new game code, new callouts, new music, new modes. What's your thoughts about it? Is it a great welcome? Are you thinking about purchasing it? Whoa, 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 I love this game. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. I need that jackpot. Come on. Not yet. That is the ball. Okay. And come on. No. Again. Let's try. Yeah. Yes! Oh. Yeah, baby. Again. Second time. Oh, such an amazing pinball machine. I love it. Replay. Oh, man. Look who's here. Retro Django is here with the #1 System 11 game of all time. I love Whirlwind, and I'm in love with what Pinball has done with a 2.0 kit. I can't wait to try it out myself. So I want to hear what you're thinking about it. Is it a great welcome? How do you feel about the update? I have seen that 1-minute clip and it looks amazing, man. I just can't wait. So let me hear your thoughts about it, okay guys? Until next time, watch some of my other videos.